The best VPN application back in the day, and it is still today. I pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Down here, you can see pretty much where I see best connections, where on that option, pretty much you can see all the servers this VPN application offers. So as you can see, not a lot of servers, but these servers are quite fast. If you scroll down, you can see some other servers as well for almost all countries. So if I scroll down, you can see some other servers. And if you do get the subscription, you even get more servers. But for the free servers, these are pretty much at the top here. You can choose any one out of these. You also have multi-loop servers, add an extra layer of protection when you're browsing online. So you can either add a entry server and exit server. So just tap on any one. You just tap on the entry server, for example, and then go ahead and tap on any server you want for the entry server. So that's pretty much it for the server section there. And in the settings option, here you have the VPN protocol option. You can choose whichever VPN protocol you want to use, and they do explain each of them and their pros and cons. So it all depends upon you what you want to use. So here you have the auto protect option. You can enable this if you want as well. Down here you have the split timing option, but that refers for subscription, and it doesn't work with some of the VPN protocols, so do keep that in mind. Here you have the always on option, kill switch, nothing much for here. So to connect this VPN here, you will need connection time. If you do tap on connect, it will ask you to add a time or get a premium subscription. So to get a premium subscription, you can tap at the top here, see the code icon, say go premium. Once you tap on that option here, you pretty much see the prices for the subscription, and you do get a 14 days free trial for their subscription, but this is pretty much for the yearly subscription. And for the monthly subscription, you get the 7 days free trial. So you can always test out their premium servers and all their perks, pros with the premium subscription. So that's pretty much it for that there. So once you have either purchased a subscription or you're going to add time, so if you tap on connect, you will need to add time. It won't show because I've already added time, but once you have added your time, it will pretty much ask you to watch an ad. Do be a bit patient, the ad may take a while to load, so do keep that in mind. So over here, profile icon here, nothing much, just to show you your subscription and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Do make sure you log in as well. If you don't log in, you may have problem getting the ads issue. So make sure you log in, and once tap on connect here, it will start connecting in no time. Or if you go in this option here and select whichever server you want to connect to, it will start connecting. So all you have to do is tap on here and it will start connecting. So if I missed anything in this video, please comment below, and see you in the next one.